This is a family activity. Kids are being assisted and supervised by their parents.
First, we improvise our fermenter. Watch our previous video on how to make a fermenter.
Sterilize the fermenter and all the materials needed.
Put few drops of water in the hose to serve as the bubbler.
Prepare the 3 kilograms overripe bananas. Add 3 pieces calamansi to the mashed bananas.
Add few pieces of raisins. Prepare the tea.
The more tea, the darker the color of the wine will be.
Boil about 3 liters of water. Cook the mashed bananas.
Add the tea.
Add 1/2 kilogram brown sugar.
Mix evenly. Add 1 kilogram white sugar. Let it cool before transferring to the fermenter. Add yeast. Mix evenly. Close tightly so that oxygen cannot enter the container.
Fermentation process starts now.
1 day later.
On the second day, bubbling starts. Carbon dioxide are released from the container through the bubbler. Wait for 4 days before transferring to the second fermenter. Part 2 of this will be on our next video. Please support our channel. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.